Last Ramadan, with your help, I was able to fundraise for 12 water wells that were built in Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Burundi, India, Kenya, Pakistan, and Somalia. Remember, water well is zakat eligible. So with your zakat money, you can get a sadaqah jariyah. Check my link to donate and provide one individual with clean water for only $60, or a family for $600. Or you can even get a whole water well for only $1,500. What are you waiting for? Donate today. No one can guarantee tomorrow. May Allah accept from you. Ramadan Mubarak.
لا إله إلا الله لا